How to manually set the time and date on Infinix Smart 8. So there is where the time is not accurate. Okay, so let's get started. In the first step, you can go to the setting menu and then going to the system. Okay, tap on date and time, and here you can tap on the auto set the time and select off. Okay, so here you can set the time manually like this. Click OK. And here for the date is have been accurate, and here you can select the time for 24 format or not. And here I just wanna setting like this. I want to setting the time until the 12. Okay, just like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.